Hi guys, I'm Sabah, your English faculty at Tollywood. So this session can be very important for you because here I'm going to discuss only 5 most expected topics for essay in your upcoming IBPS PO descriptive exam. मैंने बहुत लंबी चौड़ी लिस्ट नहीं दी है, पूरा रिसर्च करने के बाद, प्रॉपर एनालिसिस करने के बाद, व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील एंड आई expect, I honestly hope कि out of these 5 one definitely you will get in your examination. Let's see, अगर आ जाता है तो that is well and good. So let us see what are those 5 most expected topics. But before starting this session, as I always say, guys, please subscribe to our YT channel if you are new. अगर आप Hollywood platform पे नए हैं तो एक बार चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, लाइक दिस सेशन एंड शेयर दिस सेशन विद मैक्सिमम, कि फटाफट से सब लोग सेशन को लाइक कर दीजिएगा, शेयर कर दीजिएगा, डेफिनेटली, ओके, so that others can also get benefited by this video. So now let us see, without much ado, we will quickly come to our topic, that what are those 5 most expected topics. Okay. You can also give your suggestions in comment box. अगर आपको इसमें लगता है कि 5 में से आपको लगता है कि हाँ 3 तो ठीक है मैम, 2 में मुझे लगता है कि कुछ और है, तो प्लीज डेफिनेटली मेंशन योर कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ठीक है. तो अगर कुछ ऐसा मुझे लगा कि नहीं आपका सजेशन बहुत अच्छा है, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट ऑल्सो बिफोर योर एग्जामिनेशन. ओके. So the first topic, as per me, that is going to be very important topic for you is privatization of banks. Discuss pros and cons, or only you can be asked discuss the disadvantages of privatizing a bank. This is something that is very much in news. इस पे काफी सारे बैंक मतलब you can say employees, you can say the person who are at good post in banking, they have expressed their opinion. RBI का भी इस पे statement आया है. So I strongly feel कि this can be one of the most expected topics for your banking examination, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट इसका रिलेशन बैंकिंग बिजनेस से है. So it might come. Okay, so definitely you should prepare one complete essay regarding pros and cons. Pros कम ही मिलेंगे, कौन सी ज्यादा मिलेंगे आपको, disadvantages ही ज्यादा मिलेंगे. So definitely prepare one topic on privatization of banks, pros and cons. Okay. Anyway, the examiner can ask you the question in any of the ways, but yes, this you should be you should be ready with your content on this topic. Okay. The next topic is methods to boost cyber security in banking sector. Okay. Now, as you know, in banking exams, generally topics are banking oriented only. So after privatization, what I feel the next important topic can be cyber security, boosting how to boost cyber security in banking sector, or cyber attacks in banking sector. So either cyber attack or cyber security can be one of the topics. So you can prepare one general essay on both cyber security and cyber attack. Okay. So whatever may be the topic, अगर इससे आ गया है, तो if it is cyber security, you can write. If it is cyber attack, you can write. So prepare a combined essay on both cyber attack and cyber security. Okay. Then third topic is this related to women. It has been a trend of banking exam. Okay, ये काफी trend रहा है banking exam का कि often they give one topic based on women. Society से related एक देते ही देते हैं, एक या दो topic. So अगर women से आता है, so directly, instead of directly giving women empowerment, because it is very common topic, so they might mold their topic with the current that discussion going on. को पता है कि ये काफी न्यूज में था कि कैन रेजिंग द लीगल एज ऑफ मैरिज ऑफ वुमेन हेल्प इन एम्पावरिंग देम. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ डायरेक्टली गिविंग वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, दे कैन आस्क यू दिस वे. तो आपका करंट से भी रिलेटेड हो जाएगा, प्लस आपका इसमें वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट भी कवर हो जाएगा. So you know, definitely raising the legal age of women from 18 to 21 years, it will definitely give them opportunities for higher studies, for pursuing higher studies. Job opportunities will be given. So definitely it will help in empowering women. So this is also a very positive step taken by the government of India. So you can definitely prepare one essay on this topic also. इस पर भी आप एक topic detail में discuss कर prepare कर लीजिएगा. Okay. Now the third topic is global warming, because as I told कि society से भी related देते हैं, तो या तो women देंगे या तो environment से दे सकते हैं. Environment is also an important theme. So environment से it can be, अब देखिए global warming, why I have chosen global warming, even though it is very static topic. Okay, बहुत common topic है. But if you prepare an essay on global warming, so global warming includes everything, usage of plastic and all these things, everything will come inside this topic only. So I feel कि direct examiner will not give you global warming, but yes, अगर आपने इस पे एक थोड़ा comprehensive essay prepare कर लिया, so anyways if it is something is related to environment, so कहीं ना कहीं उसका global warming से impact पड़ता ही पड़ता है. So it will encompass everything related to environment in itself. Okay. So you should prepare one detailed topic. I won't say कि इसको 200 words में prepare करेगा, prepare in around 400 to 500 words. So in examination, as you get the question, you can change your content accordingly. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा आप modify और tweak कर सकते हैं content को. So these are the four topics. Now the last topic that I expect is your freebie politics. Say something that is in current, something that is trending, and something that is related to banking. So generally such topics are expected in examination. ठीक है? तो अब यहाँ पे freebie politics, a boon or bane for Indian society, or it might be asked a boon or bane for Indian economy. So, because you know कि freebie politics giving so much freebies, it exerts pressure on the treasury of any state. Okay, so it is directly or indirectly related to economy only. So our prime minister is strongly opposing this move. There are many others who are supporting this move. So overall, this can be an important topic for you. Freebie politics, a boon or bane for Indian society. So please prepare well on these five topics. लेट्स सी एग्जाम में आता है कि नहीं आता है, बट हमें तो प्रिपेयर्ड होना ही है. सो मेरी तो पूरी उम्मीद है, आई हैव फुल फेथ कि इसमें से कुछ ना कुछ आ जाएगा. सो अगर आ जाता है तो दैट इज डेफिनेटली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. ओके, सो आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट. So this topic is for essay. Now next I will suggest some important topics for letter also, so that in your last minute preparation you can go through this descriptive also, these descriptive topics also, because descriptive is going to play a very important role in your selection. So you cannot omit it, you cannot take it lightly, you cannot take it for granted. Okay, so that's all. I hope you like this session. So please hit the like button, share this session with others, and subscribe to our YT channel.